Select by John Thomas Furniture is the premier value in customizable home dining furnishings. Hand-assembled and hand-finished in North Carolina, our furnishings are unfinished until ordered, so the character of each piece, the quality of the wood, and the craftsmanship are recognized. By buying from a company that not only offers ecologically friendly solid wood furnishings, and two, offers the trust that only the most experienced and credible company can offer. With Select, you get your style, your color, your way. Nothing's pre-packaged. Each order is built by master craftsmen and finished to order using all catalyzed sealers and catalyzed lacquers for maximum durability. There's truly something to fit any home decor's personality beautifully. There simply is no better value than Select by John Thomas Furniture.